We're always making assumptions, and we need to investigate and challenge their validity in the current context. Anytime we make a decision, there are associated assumptions, and, more often than not, we make those assumptions without conscious awareness. These assumptions are based on mental models that we have developed over time based on experience that help us make sense of the world. While these models have been developed through experience, in new situations they are often incorrect. As these mental models are the basis for assumptions we make without even being aware of them, we have to surface and challenge them to ensure they are actually valid in the context of the situation we are seeking to understand. For each conclusion, ask whether there is something that could make this conclusion invalid. Does the current context have a basis for making the conclusion invalid? Mental models are developed through a rather involved sequence. Actions that we take create real data and experience from which there is some selected data and experience that we pay attention to and affix meaning, which thus provides the basis for assumptions, and we then tend to make connections forming the foundation for our beliefs, which then govern our future actions, and we continue to reinforce our learning. Though what is most often the case is that our beliefs actually limit the data and experience we select to affix meaning to, and the selected data and experience tends to be that which supports the belief on which the action was taken. It's actually a belief protection which in turn limits our learning. This is why the assumptions need to be challenged. With regard to magic connections, there are numerous assumptions we might have made during the development of the model, and these assumptions are likely to influence our approach to dealing with the situation. One assumption we might make is that support or other organizations are acting appropriately. Are they? Please continue with leverage points, the next video in this series.